Imagine a single candle flame. It flickers and dances in the darkness. This mesmerizing display of light and heat has captivated humanity for millennia. But have you ever stopped to ponder the science behind this everyday marvel? What is fire, exactly? Fire is not an object, it's a chemical reaction. It is a process that releases energy in the form of light and heat. This energy originates from the breaking and forming of chemical bonds within the fuel source, like the wax of a candle. The seemingly simple flame is a testament to the elegance of chemistry and physics. Understanding fire allows us to harness its power for good, while respecting its potential for destruction. Michael Faraday was fascinated by the humble candle flame. In 1860, he delivered lectures titled, "The Chemical History of a Candle." Faraday used the candle to explore scientific principles. He dissected the flame, revealing intricate processes. Faraday observed the flame's complex structure with distinct zones. He noted different colors corresponded to varying temperatures and reactions. His observations laid the groundwork for understanding combustion. Faraday's work reminds us that the mundane can lead to profound discoveries. A candle flame is a vibrant spectacle of color, each hue whispering tales of the chemical ballet unfolding within. At the base, a cool blue signifies wax vaporization. Rising vapors meet oxygen, igniting in a yellow-orange glow. This incandescent zone is the hottest part. Soot particles emit the yellow light. Above lies a dimmer, almost invisible veil. Combustion begins with a transformation. The solid wax converts into a flammable vapor. This process is called pyrolysis. The wick heats the wax, causing it to melt and vaporize. These vapors mix with oxygen. The mixture ignites, starting combustion. Fire. Section 6. Fire's behavior in microgravity. Fire behaves very differently in the microgravity environment of space. Without the influence of gravity, there is no convection. Convection is the process by which hot air rises and draws in fresh oxygen to sustain a flame. In space, flames tend to be spherical and flicker less. They also burn cooler and with less luminosity. This is because the absence of convection limits the supply of oxygen to the flame. Studying fire in microgravity provides valuable insights into the fundamental processes of combustion. It also has practical applications for fire safety in spacecraft and future space habitats. Section 7. The unending cycle of combustion. A flame is a self-sustaining chemical reaction. It's a chain reaction that continues as long as fuel and oxygen are present. Heat from the flame breaks down the fuel into simpler molecules, releasing more heat in the process. This heat further vaporizes the fuel, propagating the cycle. The chain reaction aspect of fire is crucial for its sustained existence. It ensures a continuous supply of energy, maintaining the flame until either the fuel or oxygen source is exhausted. Understanding the chain reaction of fire is essential for controlling it. By breaking the chain, either by removing the fuel, starving it of oxygen, or cooling it down, we can extinguish a fire and prevent its destructive potential. Section 8. Our enduring bond with fire. Fire has been integral to human civilization since its discovery. It shaped our evolution, culture, and technology. From campfires to engines, fire drives our progress. It provides warmth, light, and cooking. Yet fire's destructive power demands respect. Fire is both creation and destruction. Section 9. An eternal flame of curiosity. The next time you encounter a flickering candle or a roaring bonfire, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of chemistry and physics at play. Fire, in all its beauty and power, is a testament to the wonders of the natural world. Let the flame ignite your curiosity, inspiring you to explore the mysteries of the universe that surrounds us. For in the pursuit of knowledge, we find enlightenment, just as humanity discovered warmth and illumination in the embrace of fire.